And today I'm going to be doing fidget trading with my sister Lily.
Hi.
Okay, so we're each gonna offer 5 times. Go ahead.
These are my fidgets, and I have 2 puppets, a dimple digit, a Orby stress ball, a spike ball, a pop tube, a monkey noodle, a fidget pad, a snake, and a thinking putty.
Okay, I have a monkey noodle, 3 dimples. Sorry, I have a simple dimple, a normal dimple. What's it called? Okay. And a butterfly dimple. I have a rainbow poppet. I have a kind of dirty bunny mochi. I have Norby stress ball. I have an Nito, and I have another glow in the dark circular poppet. And I have a what's it called?
Marble Mash.
Okay,
Those I always forget the name too.
Yeah, I know. Okay, I'm gonna offer first. What would you offer for this?
Ooh, I would offer, since my puppets aren't the best, I would offer both of them.
I'll put in both these if you add in this and something small.
Instead of something small, can I just have this? Because then I feel like I would still be over if I added this.
Well, I know, but I have 2 dimples, and I feel like I'd be way over.
Well, that one's not the best, but it's one I love. So if I'll actually take this one and add the pop tube and
Which one's your favorite out of these?
that one.
Would you trade for just that and something else?
And I feel like I'd be over.
Well, I said and something else. Like, what would you want for my pile for just this and something else?
Oh, the simple dimple.
I really like my simple dimple. And
I
I
feel
kind of
like I
feel
would
like
even
I'd
be
be over. Okay,
Well, I feel like I'd be over because I'm trading.
Sure,
a big thing
whatever.
just for, okay.
that was kind of a stupid trade.
Yay. I was over.
Okay, whatever. Go ahead.
What's your offer for my thinking putty? I actually really like this.
I don't really like the thinking putty, but I guess I'll do both these.
Well, these I don't really like. So how about I put in this for these 2?
Yeah, deal.
Yes. Just doing better.
Okay. What can I offer for that simple dimple?
I might not trade it, but sure.
I'll offer for these. Is that not enough?
I feel like
I'll offer this. I feel like I'm a little over.
you would it be because this is a dimple and
This is really clean. So will you accept?
I'm gonna decline only because I really like my simple dimple. But if you add something, I'll accept.
I'll add this.
Sure.
That was such an unfair trade, but whatever.
How?
Mine was way over.
When I was super over. Whose turn to trade?
Okay. I will offer for my rainbow poppet. If you do your dimple, I'll add in this Orby stress ball.
If you add me the simple dimple and that, I'll trade you this.
I really like the
bunny
simple
mochi.
dimple, and I feel like I don't really want that bunny mochi.
Well, if I add the snake and this, would you accept?
Can you change the snake out for the Nito, the pop tube, or fidget pad?
I will do the fidget pad because that would be the only way I wouldn't be over.
Fine.
Yay!
Can I offer for your simple dimple?
I don't
I'd be a little bit over if I did both of those.
I don't feel like you'd be over, and I feel like we would be in a good range, but I don't really like the fidget pad that much, and I know that you don't have a lot to offer, so if I add something and take that out.
I'll do these two, but you have to add something good. Would you be okay with that?
Let me see. Maybe if
I'll add in this if you add in something small, and it can't be the mochi. Because I really like this.
let's see. I feel like I'd be a little bit over because this is way better than that puppet.
This puppet's really good on both sides.
So, and I know you don't like this a
And
lot,
I-
but can I still trade this because this is better than that puppet?
Well,
And I am trading more things than it is, so you would.
no, because I'm
Yeah.
trading all three of these.
Oh. Well, you can take that out and just for this too.
Deal.
Yay!
I really love this one, but whatever. Go ahead.
Can I offer for this?
Sure.
This and this.
I'll add in this if you add in this and take away this.
Let me see. Yeah, if you add the fidget pad, I'll add this.
That one's not really good, so can you add something
This?
instead of that?
With that.
I really like my fidget pad, so I would say instead of like this and that, can you add in like this actually and this and this?
I would be over because I'm adding 4 things and they're only adding.
These are really small and they're not really good, and this is pretty dirty.
Then I'll take. Well, how about I add this and this for that, and that.
For what?
With this.
For
That,
these?
that, and that. With these.
Wait, what?
The simple dimple.
I don't really want to offer the simple dimple because I think I'd be over if I did these.
Then can I decline?
You can decline. Wait. Well,
What else did you-
because I think I would be over with this because of this being my favorite fidget, and
But it's not about your favorite. It's
Well, yeah,
really
I
about
know.
the quality.
really, I know that. But this quality's really good. This one's not really great compared to this, honestly, and this is way nicer than that dirty one. So I feel like I'd be over if I'm changing these two out.
I'm gonna decline.
Okay.
Can I trade for a simple dimple?
You can offer it, but I don't know if I'll accept.
No, the simple dimple.
Oh, my simple dimple, sorry. I thought you said dimple. I don't really like this spike ball.
What if I do this and I
Add
don't like these that much.
Instead of these, will you add in pink monkey? Will you add in the pink monkey noodle for that?
I feel like I'd be a little bit over because even like the
Okay,
top two
pink
is
monkey noodle, and it's a deal.
Sure.
Okay.
Yay!
Can I offer for the simple dimple? And I'm probably gonna say no, but can I at least try? So I know you don't love this, but I was wondering if I could offer for that.
Gosh, just dang it.
I wasn't 100% sure. I was just asking what you would say, so I wasn't done.
Oh, I would say yes.
Okay. Well, I was gonna ask if I take away this, would you still say yes? Because I feel like I was over.
Yeah, sure thing.
Oh, wait. Yeah, okay. Okay, go ahead.
Sorry, but